Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 4-speed, believed to be 327 under the hood, 55 210. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. Also, check out maplemotors.com to see a full list of inventory, financing options, and yes, we'll ship these cars all over the nation. I went ahead and opened the trunk and the hood, so I'm not flipping the camera around here. Gonna check out the trunk, go ahead and get that done so we can shut it down. Fairly new weather stripping. The trunk the mat in the trunk looks pretty good. We'll look up under that for any kind of water, moisture. May have been getting in here at one point because of the little bit of rust residue left over. Very solid trunk though. You know, I always just make messes here. I don't ever do anything right, do I? All right, we're just gonna throw that back in there. Kind of checking it out some more. Got the speaker in the package tray, and it looks solid. And I gotta get this down so I can shut it. All right, there we go. Trunk shuts down nice and easy. See how easy that was? Then it lines up pretty good. Got decent tires on it. We're gonna be giving you some more undercarriage shots here soon. Under the hood's nice and clean. I'm gonna start up here in the front. Any flaws that I find, I will let you know. That front bumper looks like it's been replaced. It's nice and new. Along with the headlight bezels, the grille. I like how it sits up. It's got a good gasser look. Not all the way, just enough. Little chip in the paint here. A little bit of work's been done right there in this area from here to here. And down the door, looks pretty straight. Still some touch-up marks here. Trim and windshield look good. Mirror's been replaced along with the door handles. Bottom of the door looks nice and solid. There's a crack right here coming down in the paint. All this trim's been polished up. It's not all scratched up, looks good. Checking the roof out. Rear bumper needs to be replaced. They're not that expensive. I'm surprised they didn't go ahead and do this. As you can see, it's got scratches and chips all over it. Dual exhaust out the back. Those look like they're freshly cut pipes too. They don't look like they've been on there that long. Got some chips below the tag here. Some imperfections in this swoop there on the fender. Same with this side. Side of the car looks nice as well. The trim's all shined up. Windows are nice and clean. Little wax on the door there. Guess my fingers are dirty. Every time I touch something, it turns it black. All right, we basically made it all the way around this car. Let's go ahead and check the interior out, get this thing started up. Go ahead and place your bets. You think this horn works? I'm gonna go ahead and say it does. We'll see what happens here. Something we like to do on this channel. Interior's dark blue and white. Looks like fairly new carpet. Door panel's in great shape. Weather stripping looks new around the door. Let y'all check out under the door here. Mats have been replaced. Hurst shifter, 4-speed. Package tray looks pretty good. Headliner's a little bit wrinkly, but it's not ripped up or dirty. Missing the cover over the interior light. Aftermarket gauges under the dash. Digital radio in the dash. Let's go ahead and start it up. Starts up nice and easy. As soon as it's turned on, the oil pressure came up to 60. Engine temp's right at 190. It's about 95 here today. Definitely hot. Radio working. Blower motor blowing. No AC. Miles, can't stand behind that. It says 505. Gas gauge was floating around on the test drive. Tach is working. Speedometer is not working. Windshield wipers, a little stiff on the switch, but check it out, they're flying. The horn works. Emergency brake not working quite so good. It doesn't work at all about that point. You got to pull it all the way out. You can just throw it down, and it's got a good spring in it, but it's just barely working right there. Got a great sound to it. Motor's pretty quiet. Hood shuts down nice and easy. I mean, I could just push it down, it locks. I missed the spot here because of the shadow right there by the headlight. Kind of check over the front one more time. Look at the gaps on the hood. You can see down in the corners of the little chip here. Lines up pretty good. All right, we're gonna get you some undercarriage shots real quick. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. 100 detailed pictures are located on that website. You can also see all of our inventory. Let's look under this one. All right, guys, I do appreciate you watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. Try to post videos every single day. We were doing a test drive of this one right before I started this. You can check it out the last 30 seconds of this video as well. or just type in 1955 210 Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. You can find any of our cars. All inventory is located at maplemotors.com, along with financing and shipping information. I do appreciate you watching. Help us out by sharing this channel or these videos. Thanks again, guys. Let's get back to the test drive.